The glamorous world of trading you see on social media, the get-rich-quick schemes that offers wealth on your fingertips, it's not the reality. Behind the flashing number and instant success, there are some things far darker. Some things many traders, especially beginners, don't see coming. In today's video, I'm gonna reveal about the harsh reality of trading, the ugly truth that is hidden by influencers and advertisers. You need to hear this because trading is not what you think, and if you are not careful, it will ruin you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know that why the 90% of beginners fail and how to avoid becoming one of them. Let's start with the most dangerous lie in trading, the idea that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. This is what you are promised. A few months, maybe even weeks, and you are a millionaire. Fast cars, luxurious vacations, free from 9 to 5 grind. But is it really that simple? No. In fact, it is much darker than that. In reality, 90% of people lose money when they start trading. The statistics are cold, hard, and unyielding. Most beginners, driven by the promise of quick wealth, dive in with little to no experience, praying for a miracle. But what happens when that miracle doesn't come? They lose everything. But why? Because the financial market is not a game. It's a battlefield. It's not just about choosing the right stock. It's about understanding the market's volatility, timing, and having the emotional strength to survive it. Have you thought about that? Here's the part that no one talks about, the emotional roller coaster. The market doesn't just test your knowledge, it tests your emotional and mental resilience. What do you do when you have invested your hard-earned money and it's all evaporating in front of your eyes? That feeling of helplessness, panic and fear takes over as the market swings violently. Are you ready for that? Because no one prepares you the emotional devastation of losing your money. And if you're not prepared, if you don't have the emotional control, you can make the worst decision of your life. When fear sets in, many traders panic. They sell at wrong time. They double down when they should have cut losses. They even make reckless decisions in the hope of getting it back. And what happens? It gets worse, much worse. So ask yourself, can you handle the emotional toll? Most beginners don't even know the first thing of market. They think that it's just about buying and selling, but the reality is it's a whole different ball game. Do you understand what support and resistance are? Can you read candlesticks pattern? What's the difference between technical analysis and fundamental analysis? Do you know how to manage risk? If you don't, you're walking blind into a fight where you are outgunned. The fact is, the more you know, the better chances you have to succeed. But no one tells you that you need to study, learn and adapt. Trading is not something that you just wake up one day and master it. You will fail many times before you ever got close to the success. It's not about being smart. It's about putting in the hours, the work and the patience. This is a skill, and without a skill, you're simply gambling. One of the biggest traps for beginners is the allure of the leverage. Sounds tempting, right? You borrow money to increase your potential profits. It sounds like a shortcut to success. But here's the kicker. Leverage amplifies both your profits and losses. Imagine borrowing money from the broker only to see the market moves against you. You think you're safe because your gains are big, but when things go wrong, things go really wrong. And trust me, those margin calls will come. That easy money promise vanishes and you're left with debt instead of profit. Leverage is a weapon, but if you don't know how to use it, you will destroy yourself. What about the pressure of consistency? This is another part of trading which no one talks about. Imagine trying to make a living by being right every single time. One wrong move and your whole career is gone. The pressure is unbearable, and most beginners think that the goal is just to make profits every day. But here's the truth. There will be days, weeks, and even months where you don't make a single profitable trade. Your emotional state, your resilience, your ability to stay in the game during the tough times, that's what determines success. It's not about instant wins, it's about the long game. The harsh reality of trading is that it is not for everyone. The emotional toll, the endless hours of learning, the risks, these are not things most people are prepared for. And if you are not prepared, you will fail. The market is unforgiving. It doesn't care about your dreams and aspirations. But if you are prepared, if you have the discipline, the knowledge, and the emotional strength to face it, you can survive, maybe even thrive. But don't think it will be easy. I hope this video opened your eyes, but ask yourself, are you ready for the reality of trading, or will you be another statistic? Make sure you like, subscribe and comment on this video and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my channel. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.